Hello, my friends. Shh, shh. My personal chef is in the kitchen. It's just me and you. I've been thinking, what is it I want to accomplish in life? What calling will it serve? Do I need to be like everyone else, or do I want to do something different? You know I can't eat onions, right? I love tofu though. Oh my gosh, I love this guy. Yes, please, may I have another? I just have to pretend to like this guy, and I get food. Silly humans. I bet I know what's coming next. I knew it. Playing around being cute has its perks.
Yum. Look at that. Frankie, what are you doing? What have I told you about watching this ASMR stuff? What are you doing? So cute.
I like the whispers, Pop, 'cause your voice annoys me a little.
Yum. Whew. It's filling. I'm not going to eat all of it. I'm going to save half of it for later. But I wanted to just show a really quick way to make something when you're hungry. Super delicious, super high in protein. Use the extra firm tofu, the one that's wrapped in the vacuum seal, not packed in water. If you use the packed in water one, it's going to be a little bit more mushy, and you'll have to, press it for a long time or freeze it and thaw it, whatever that way. But the ones that come like super extra firm are great for sandwiches like this, and sky's the limit. I just use quite a bit of caramelized onions, a little bit of that vegan mayo, some jalapenos on there, and it's delicious. A little bit of that vegan cheese. Man, it's great. Hits the spot. Frankie loves it. I won't give her any more of this because of the onions, but yeah, it's just a real fast, quick solution. Now back onto some bigger things. Because, oh, one more. I'll be releasing the chicken farm to a mushroom farm project very soon, within the next couple weeks. I'm just putting final touches on it, so stay tuned for that because it's pretty cool. Hey guys, this isn't the only video I have on really super simple meal solutions. If you want to eat more plant-based, check out these videos over here for some quick, easy solutions. And it's up to you how healthy you want to make it. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Have a great week. Have a great day. Have a great everything. Thanks for being kind.